This is a true story about a great invention.
It's 1772. Joseph Merlin is an inventor. He lives in a museum in London.
I like collecting inventions, and I like inventing things. Look at these shoes with wheels. They are fantastic. I like making musical instruments too. Look at this violin. It's beautiful. I want to people hear it.
One day, Joseph receives an invitation.
Mayor and Mrs. Connelly invites Joseph Merlin to a dance.